The next definition that we'll be looking at is the fifth one, which is called humid heat. So humid heat, the definition is the amount of heat in joule or kilojoule. Remember, the unit of heat can either be in joule or kilojoule, required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of dry air plus all the water vapor that it contains, plus with the water vapor, by 1 Kelvin or 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so the symbol here is CS for humid heat, and the formula is CPB. Okay, so CP is the heat capacity, B is the symbol for air, so heat capacity of B plus heat capacity of A times the value of humidity. So once you have this, you'll get the total amount of humid heat that is required to raise the temperature of your dry air plus your water vapor. Okay, the next definition is going to be humid volume. So the definition is that humid volume is the total volume in meter cube of 1 kg of dry air plus the vapor it contains at, so 101.325 is actually again our ATM, atmospheric pressure. This one is also equal to 1 ATM, and it is given at the gas temperature, and it is given by this. So VH, V is for volume, H is for humid. VH is actually equal to 0.0224 times T. Now this T must always be in Kelvin. So if you have your temperature in degrees Celsius, and if you are asked to calculate the value of humid volume, you must convert this unit into Kelvin first. And then 1 over MB plus 1 over H over MA. So this one actually, okay, if you see here, this 237 is actually for the unit conversion. This true value here, 0.0224 over 237, when you have these two value here, when you use this formula, your VH here, automatically the unit will be meter cube per kg dry air. Okay, so the unit is fixed. For this formula, the unit of your VH, your humid volume, is meter cube per kg dry air. If let's say you want to find your VH in feet cube, okay, so if you want to change it to feet cube over kg dry air or feet cube over pound dry air, so usually feet will go with pound, so pound dry air. So there will be another formula, or you can change this into feet cube or pound. You can change meter cube into feet cube, you can change kg into pound. But there will be a different set formula for feet cube per pound. So whenever you see this equation, you have to be careful that this equation is only, when you use this equation, when you substitute all the values, the temperature, the MB, the H and MA, you press your calculator, the unit will automatically be fixed for meter cube per kg dry air. Okay, and the final important definition that you must know is the total enthalpy. Okay, so the symbol is HY. So the total enthalpy of 1 kg of air plus its water is HY. The unit is going to be joule per kg or kilojoule per kg dry air, with the reference temperature at T equal to 0 degrees Celsius. So this is the formula, and when after you have done some simplification, so this will be the final formula. So you can use this formula to calculate the value of your total enthalpy. Total enthalpy of dry air plus its water vapor.